Hello friends, myself Kush M.Durgi from Belgaum. My pen name is Ankush Durgi. I am making a special video for to improve the mathematics by the help of BODMAS theorem. BODMAS theorem is a combination of basic operations of additions, subtraction, multiplication and division, and also with the help of the brackets. Means it's a combination of binary operations of the signs and brackets. Already I have made that two videos differently for the brackets and the basic operations of the mathematics of the science, and this is the combination of both of them. In the world of mathematics, the BODMAS theorem is the most important theorem. It's a very useful, it's a one of the fundamental theorem of the mathematical world. Without this theorem, we can't understand or solve the any problem. To solve the problems step by step and properly and get the answer very perfectly, we must use the BODMAS theorem. For that purpose, I am making a video that is of the BODMAS theorem. Please concentrate on this theorem, follow all the steps. Definitely you will get the perfect procedure or the solution system in the mathematical world. Along with our syllabus, this also helps to improve our the speed, that which helps in the competitive exams in solving the problems. Then just we have to follow these all the steps very perfectly. Then we will get the answers very easily. Then let us see that how it does, then what type of system we should follow here. I have got a model here on the board, which is the combination of different signs and the brackets. For such problems, or even for each and every problem which are consisting of different signs and the brackets, we must use the BODMAS theorem. Let us see why it is called the BODMAS. Sometimes it is also called the BIDMAS. Means instead of O, we use that I. O is nothing but order, or we can also say that of, which is the special multiplication. And this is directly concerned with the indices rule, that is index. Means whenever we say index, then we say that use that I, BIDMAS theorem. Normally we say that this is the BODMAS, but both are same, BODMAS or BIDMAS. Yes, come on here. Here first we get B, means brackets. First we have to open all the brackets, and already we know that there are four types of brackets normally we use in maths. Then that is number one, the bar bracket or the line bracket. Second, close bracket or simple bracket. Then third, curly bracket or flower bracket, and the last one is the square bracket. In this same order, we open the brackets. Means at the first we open the bar bracket, then next the close bracket, and next curly bracket, and at last the square bracket. In this manner we must open the brackets in these 4 steps. Along with these all brackets, we must do the operations of the signs. Means the addition, multiplication, special multiplication, it means the order or of or index, and then division. These 4 operations plus 4 brackets we must solve in a very proper manner. Then only we get the right answer. Yes, come on. And this is very essential procedure or the theorem for the competitive exams also. In all the competitive exam, wherever we get the mathematics paper, in those all exams, we must follow this procedure. This is the only procedure that which gives the proper answer. Yes, come on. See that first we have to open all the brackets. In those all 4 brackets, already I cleared that we should be the steps of the brackets. Then now second, this is O. O means off. Off means here the index also it is called. Means I. Means this is the special multiplication. Next we have to follow the divisions. Means whatever the next procedure should be done, that should be done on the divisions. And next, then after division we must do the normal multiplication. Next, then after the multiplication we do addition, and at the last we must do the subtraction. This is the order that which gives the perfect step-by-step procedures in the mathematical world. We must follow this procedure. Otherwise, we will not get the proper answer, right answer. Yes, come on. Then in this question, how these are taken properly step by step. Let us see that. For here is a model 8 of 1 upon 6 or 1 divided by 6, then square bracket, then inside the square bracket 15 into 1 divided by 3, then curly bracket or the flower bracket, you can say 6 plus 9 divided by 1 divided by 6. The next simple bracket or close bracket, that is minus 3 plus 8 and into 1 divided by 2. For these two we are using the bar bracket, and now we are closing the small bracket. After that curly bracket, then divided by 1 upon 8 or 1 divided by 8, and at the last square bracket. This is the question. Now let us solve this one. Equals, this is 8 as it is. We have rule that in the BODMAS, first we have to do the bar bracket, the operations on the bar brackets and its signs. Yes, come on. Remaining things should be taken as it is. no changes. Yes, come on. This is 8, this is off, this is 1 divided by 6, and this is square bracket as it is, 15 into 1 divided by 3 as it is. We should not touch these all the things. Yes. Then again flower bracket or the curly bracket, then 6 plus 9 divided by 1 divided by 6. Here small bracket, that is as it is, minus 3. Then here now we have to do the operation here. Here is a bar bracket for 8 and 1 upon 2. Here we have to do the process. Here 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. And this is 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. And this is product. So this is 4 into 1, 4. Here we covered this binary operation and bar bracket. Means bar bracket is also opened. Simultaneously the binary operation is also done. And by solving these all the things, we are getting plus here. See that? This is minus 3, and solving this part means the part which is covered by the bar bracket. We are getting plus 3. Now only here small bracket or the close bracket remains. Take as it is. Next curly bracket. Next divided by 1 divided by 8 and square bracket. It's over. Now the remaining numbers or the signs or the bracket should be taken as it is, but we have to do the process at the small bracket. Yes, come on. Here equals 8 as it is, of 1 divided by 6. Here square bracket, then 15 as it is. This should not be changed. Yes, again into 1 divided by 3, curly bracket. This is 6, this is plus 9. See that? Now we have to do the operation here. Yes, come on. What we should do here? This is inside the small bracket, plus 4 and minus 3 is there. Here addition and subtraction here. We get 3 is subtracted from 4, means 1. And this is bracket is nothing but the multiplication with the coefficient. Here coefficient is 1 divided by 6. 1 divided by 6 into 1, that is 1 divided by 6. Then here this is the division symbol, sign. If it is taken reversely, it becomes product, means multiplication. 1 divided by 6 becomes only into 6. Okay, this much part is clear in this second stage. Yes, come on. Now here the small bracket or the close bracket opened. Yes, come on. Now here remains the curly bracket. That is curly bracket here divided by 1 divided by 8 and square bracket. Yes, come on. Next, here in next stage we have to open the curly bracket here. Yes, come on. Here equals 8 of 1 divided by 6 as it is, no changes. Then square bracket as it is. Then 15 as it is. Now here we have to do the operations on these numbers and signs and the curly bracket. Yes, come on. First open the curly bracket Then do the product with the here 1 upon 3. Here see that according to our BODMAS theorem, first we have to do the product, then addition. Here you can see that here first multiplication, then addition. Here two signs we are getting. So do the multiplication here first, then addition. That is 9 6 the 54 plus 6, that is 60. And this bracket is nothing but the product with the coefficient, that is 1 upon 3. This is 60 inside 60 into 1 upon 3. Means 3 ones are 3, 3 2s are 6 and 0. Means we get 20 here. By solving these all things, we get 20. This is the 20. Okay. This is 15. Product, that is multiplication, 20. Then here these all things cleared, means curly bracket opened. Yes. Next, here divided by 8. Again we have to do here reverse process. If the instead of division, if we take the multiplication, it becomes upside. Means 1 divided by 8 becomes 8 by 1. It means 1. Sorry, 8. That is 1 divided by 8 becomes 8 here. And division becomes the multiplication. Okay. Now here this much procedure is clear. See that here. This bigger part is clear. Yes. Here again, here in a single step we can solve this, but for your convenience I am taking another part, another step, not part, another step. Yes, come on. Here equals 8 as it is, then off as it is, then here 1 divided by 6, 1 divided by 6 as it is, and here bracket. We have to do the multiplication. Here all are multiple signs. So do the multiplication of these all three. We will get 2400. Okay. Now here in the next step we have to divide this bracket by 6. Means 2400 by 6. Okay. Let us see that. Here 8 should be taken as it is. Then off is nothing but the multiplication, that is special multiplication. Next 6, then here 6 ones are 6, 6 fours are 24, and these are 2 zeros. Means 400. It becomes 400 by dividing 6. Then that is 8 into 400. After all, doing the product of these all means 8 into 400 equals 3200. This is the right answer because we followed all the steps of the BODMAS theorem very properly. Means BODMAS theorem is the